In this tutorial, we'll show you how to set up your profile. First, we'll start by clicking on your name in the top right-hand corner of the screen and then selecting your profile. Here you can change your password, input your name, your email address, and choose a nickname which will be displayed when you leave a comment on a recipe. When you click on the My Business tab, you can input your company name, add your profession, enter your work email address, and your website. This information will appear on your shared links. Be sure to click Save when you are done. Under the Preferences tab, you can select your preferred units of measure. Next, you can select which nutrition information you would like to display on the recipes and your planner. If you need access to any of the nutrients that are grayed out, you can use the button at the top of the page to upgrade to the Plus plan. From here, you can also set your notification preferences for recipe replies and comments. When you are finished making your selections, remember to click Save. You can also manage your snippets under the Preferences tab. Snippets allow you to save frequently used blocks of text so you can quickly insert them into your nutrition plans as an attachment under your shared links. Under the Shared tab, you can view all of the links you have shared with your clients and the stats on them. This is where you'll also change the sharing permissions or delete a shared link entirely. If you have Practice Better, you can use the Integrations tab to connect That Clean Life to Practice Better. Click the Generate Token button and name your integration key. From there, you can copy the token and place it into your Practice Better account. Under the Subscription tab, you can view what membership you are currently on. Here is where you can upgrade to Plus Monthly or Plus Yearly by using the Upgrade Now option. You can see how many days you have until your next renewal. And you can also update your billing information if you get a new credit card, or if yours expires. And here is where you can cancel your subscription. Last but not least, under the Receipts tab is where you can access your receipts. And that's how easy it is to set up your profile.